Hey everyone! Welcome to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of technology. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about topics of the 21st century. Artificial intelligence, or AI. But that's not all. We'll also break down its two most important subsets, machine learning, ML, and deep learning, DL. By the end of this video, you'll understand what they are, how they're used, and see some real-life examples. Let's get started. Have you ever wondered how Siri or Alexa answers your questions, how YouTube recommends videos, or how self-driving cars navigate roads? The secret behind all of this is artificial intelligence, or AI. So what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the ability of machines to think, learn, and make decisions just like humans. It allows computers to perform tasks that usually require human intelligence, like problem-solving, understanding speech, and recognizing images. AI is everywhere in our daily lives. From virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant to facial recognition on your phone. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a broad field that encompasses various technologies. The two major subsets of AI are machine learning, ML, and deep learning, DL. You can see deep learning is a subset of machine learning, ML, within the broader field of artificial intelligence, AI. That looks cool, right? Hear how these terms are defined. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the ability of machines to think, learn, and make decisions just like humans. It allows computers to perform tasks that usually require human intelligence, like problem-solving, understanding speech, and recognizing images. Machine learning is a technique that allows computers to learn from data and improve their performance without being explicitly programmed. Deep learning uses artificial neural networks, inspired by the way our brain processes information. This makes it even more powerful in recognizing patterns, images, and speech. AI has different learning process, and one of the most important ones is machine learning or ML. However, what is ML or machine learning? Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that enables computers to automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. Instead of relying on hard-coded instructions, ML models analyze large amounts of data, identify patterns, and make predictions or decisions. In traditional programming, a developer writes explicit if-else rules to solve a problem. However, with ML, the computer learns the rules by analyzing data. The more data the system processes, the better it becomes at recognizing patterns and improving accuracy. Machine learning is classified in three types. Those are: supervised learning. The model is trained on labeled data, meaning each input comes with a corresponding correct output. Example of supervised learning is email spam detection, that is classifying emails as spam or not spam based on past examples. Unsupervised learning. The model is trained on unlabeled data and must find patterns and relationships on its own. Example of unsupervised learning is customer segmentation, that is grouping customers based on purchasing behavior without predefined labels. Reinforcement learning. The model learns through rewards and penalties by interacting with an environment. Example of reinforcement learning is self-driving cars, that is learning how to drive by getting rewards for safe driving and penalties for mistakes. Let us discuss some real-world examples of machine learning. Netflix recommendation system. This is first example in my list. Let us see how it works. Netflix uses ML algorithms to analyze your viewing history, preferences, and watch time. The system identifies patterns and suggests movies or TV shows you are likely to enjoy. You observe that it has positive impact on personalized user experience, increasing engagement and retention. Fraud detection in banking. This is second example in my list. Again, let us see how it works. Banks use ML to analyze millions of transactions in real time. If a transaction is unusual, example, a sudden large withdrawal from another country, the system flags it as suspicious. In this scenario too, the system has positive impact as it prevents fraud and financial loss by blocking unauthorized transactions. Virtual assistants, Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant. This is third and last example of ML. Let us see how it works. ML models process natural language to understand spoken commands. The system continuously improves by learning from user interactions. In this scenario too, it has positive impact on day-to-day life that allows seamless voice commands, making daily tasks easier, such as setting reminders, playing music, and answering queries. Now, let's understand deep learning, or DL. Deep learning is a specialized subset of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks to mimic the human brain. These networks consist of layers of interconnected nodes that are also called neurons that process data and extract complex patterns. DL is behind some of the most advanced AI applications today. For instance, it powers facial recognition systems, enables real-time language translation, and even helps doctors diagnose diseases from medical images. The key difference between machine learning and deep learning is that deep learning can handle much larger datasets and perform more complex tasks, making it ideal for cutting-edge technologies. Do you know how deep learning works? Let us explore. Neural networks, DL models are built using artificial neurons, similar to biological neurons in the human brain. These neurons process inputs, pass information through layers, and generate an output. There are multiple layers in a deep learning model. Input layer receives the raw data, example, an image, audio, or text. Hidden layers processes data through multiple interconnected neurons to extract features and recognize patterns. Output layer produces the final decision, example dog versus cat in image classification. For training process, deep learning models require large datasets and high computational power, GPUs or TPUs. The model improves over time by adjusting weights using an optimization algorithm called backpropagation. Let us check some real-world examples of deep learning. Facial recognition, Face ID, security systems, is first example in my list. Do you know how it works? Deep learning models analyze facial features such as eyes, nose, and jawline using convolutional neural networks, also called CNNs. The system compares these features to stored facial data to verify identity. It is used in Face ID unlocking, airport security, and fraud prevention in banking apps. Self-driving cars, Tesla, Waymo, is second example in my list. Again, how it works. Self-driving cars use deep learning and computer vision to detect road sign, pedestrians, other vehicles. The car continuously learns from new driving conditions and improves decision-making. It increases road safety and reduces human driving errors. AI-powered language translation, Google Translate, is third and last example in my list. How it works. Recurrent neural networks, RNNs, and transformers analyze sentence structures and translate text with high accuracy. Google Translate now uses deep learning to provide real-time, context-aware translations. This enables real-time conversations across different languages and accurate document translations. And that's it. We've covered the basics of AI, ML, and DL, their uses, and some real-life examples. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or want us to cover a specific topic. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest uploads.